Shalom everyone. This week we will read Parashat Yitro, which really the highlight of this parasha is the 10 Commandments, Aseret HaDibrot. And I would like to focus on the first commandment. Anochi Hashem Elokecha, I am Hashem your Lord, Asher Otzeiticha me'eretz Mitzrayim, that I took you out from the land of Egypt. At first glance, it seems to be a little odd that Hashem will introduce himself to the Jewish people as someone who took them from the land of Egypt. It would be much more impressive, in a way, if Hashem will say, I am Hashem your Lord who created earth and heaven in just 6 days, and on the 7th day I rested. Why would Hashem introduce himself to us as the one who took us from the land of Egypt? Rabbi Yehuda Halevi, who is the author of the Kuzari, presented that question and suggested the following answer. He suggested that if Hashem would say, I am the one who created earth and heaven, it will be wonderful, it will be impressive. But the only problem will be is that no one witnessed it. No one was there to make sure that what Hashem says is right. We will believe in it, we will trust Hashem that he is right, but we were not there. On the other hand, when Hashem says, I am the Lord, I am Hashem who took you out from Egypt, all the Jewish people just experienced it a few months ago. They were in Egypt and then Hashem took them out, which means they experienced it. They felt it. In a way, they felt Hashem in their lives in the land of Egypt, which means the first commandment, according to the Kuzari, was there to establish the nature of the relationships between Hashem and the Jewish people. Hashem does not talk to the Jewish people as an abstract, sublime power, but rather as someone who was with them, someone who experienced with them the land of Egypt and took them out of there. It's a feeling, it's an attitude, it's relationships. It's not just a commander and a commandee. It's someone who was with us, who felt our pain and took us out. So the first commandment of the 10 Commandments really talks about the nature of the relationship between the Jewish people and Hashem. Rashi, Rabbi Shlomo Yitzchak, he suggests maybe a different take. He says that when the Jewish people experienced Exodus and the splitting of the sea, they were a little confused. At the land of Egypt, Hashem, and on the splitting of the sea, Hashem introduced himself to them as someone who is leading them in battle. And now on Mount Sinai, he is introducing himself as the Gemara says, as a rabbi who learns in the yeshiva. So the Jewish people were a little confused. And Hashem says to them, don't be confused. I can manifest myself in many ways, but I am one Hashem, one God. I think that the lessons that we must take is that first Hashem has many ways to reveal himself, but really he is one. And the second lesson is to allow ourselves to use the experience that we experience, the feelings that we feel, in order to establish the right connection and relationships with Hashem, which are not abstract or disconnect, but rather are real, are something that we feel, something that we understand, and something that we would like to embrace.